Welcome to this tutorial on sets in Kotlin. Sets are a powerful collection type that help you work with unique elements. In this video, you'll learn how to create and use sets effectively in your Kotlin programs. A set is a collection that contains no duplicate elements. Think of it like a mathematical set where each element appears only once. Sets are unordered, which means the elements don't have a fixed position or sequence. The key benefit is that sets automatically remove any duplicate values you try to add, ensuring every element is unique. To create a read-only set in Kotlin, use the setOf function. For example, you can create a set of fruits containing apple, banana, and orange. Once created, you cannot modify this set. If you try to create a set with duplicate values, like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, Kotlin automatically removes the duplicates, giving you a set with just 1, 2, and 3. When you need to modify a set after creation, use the Mutable Sets function. This creates a mutable set where you can add and remove elements. For instance, you can create a set of colors with red and green, then add blue using the add method, or remove red using the remove method. The final result would be a set containing green and blue. Let's compare the two types of sets. The setOf function creates a read-only set that cannot be modified after creation. Its type is set with a generic type parameter t. On the other hand, Mutable Sets creates a mutable set where you can add and remove elements freely. Its type is Mutable Set with a generic type parameter t. Choose setOf when your data won't change, and Mutable SetOf when you need flexibility. Sets provide several useful operations. The contains method checks if an element exists in the set, returning true or false. The size property tells you how many elements are in the set. The isEmpty method returns true if the set has no elements. Finally, the clear method removes all elements from a mutable set, leaving it empty. Kotlin sets support mathematical operations. The union method combines two sets, including all elements from both. For sets containing 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4, 5, the union gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The intersect method finds common elements, returning just 3 in this case. The subtract method removes elements of one set from another, giving you 1 and 2 when you subtract the second set from the first. Sets are ideal in several scenarios. Use them when you need to ensure uniqueness of elements, automatically preventing duplicates. They're perfect when the order of elements doesn't matter in your application. Sets also provide fast membership checking, making them efficient for testing if an element exists. Finally, they're great for performing mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and subtraction. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.